GATE 2015 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 25. In a closed loop traverse of 1 km total length, the closing errors in departure and latitude are 0.3 meter and 0.4 meter respectively. The relative precision of this traverse will be, the four options given are A 1 is to 5000, B 1 is to 4000, C 1 is to 3000 and D 1 is to 2000. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited. So coming to the useful data, if we are traversing on the field, so if we have a four-sided traverse ABCD, the fourth line should coincide with A, but what usually happens is it does not coincide with A, and instead it goes up to a different position, that let us call it A dash. So there will be a gap between A and A dash, so this is called as the closing error of a traverse. So there will be two components of this closing error. The first component will be the summation of latitude and the second component will be the summation of departure. The summation of latitude will be along the y-axis and the summation of departure will be along the x-axis. So if we have summation D along the x-axis and summation L along the y-axis, this is the value of closing error. So closing error will be given by the square root of summation L whole square plus summation D whole square. And if we need to find the relative precision of the traverse, that is given by the closing error divided by the total length of the traverse. So that would become the square root of summation L whole square plus summation D whole square divided by the length of the traverse. So in this case, the closing error CL is given by the square root of summation L whole square plus summation D whole square. It is given in the problem statement that summation of L is 0.3 meter and summation of D is given as 0.4 meter. So substituting the value in the relation of closing error, we would get 0.3 square plus 0.4 square. So this would become the square root of 0.25, which would become 0.5 meter. As we have seen, the relative precision will be equal to closing error by length of traverse. So closing error was found as 0.5 meter and the length of the traverse is mentioned in the problem statement as 1 kilometer. So we will consider this in meters, so that would become 1 into 10 cube. This can be written as 1 by 2000 or 1 is to 2000, which is our relative precision. So the relative precision of the traverse was found out as 1 is to 2000, that is option D. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.